Indoor plants with red leaves bring a bold, vibrant touch to any home. Their striking shades range from deep burgundy and crimson to bright scarlet and ruby, creating an eye-catching display. In this video, discover beautiful indoor plants with naturally colorful red foliage, perfect for adding warmth, personality, and a dramatic tropical feel to your living spaces. Redleaf Begonia, Begonia Red Bull. Begonia Red Bull is a stunning houseplant that instantly catches attention with its dramatic foliage. Its large, textured leaves display rich shades of deep red, burgundy, and subtle metallic tones, making every leaf look like a living piece of artwork. Unlike ordinary green houseplants, this begonia brings a bold splash of color even without flowers. It looks beautiful in decorative pots on shelves, side tables, or bright corners of the living room. Give it bright, indirect light, moderate watering, and well-draining soil to keep its foliage vibrant. With its unique leaf texture and intense coloration, Red Bull is perfect for plant lovers who want something truly eye-catching. Aglaonema, Aglaonema Red Valentine, is a spectacular indoor plant known for its bold, colorful foliage. Its leaves combine rich red and pink tones with touches of green, creating a striking contrast that instantly brightens any room. The glossy leaves give the plant a fresh, elegant appearance, making it especially attractive in modern decorative pots. It can thrive in bright, indirect light and is also relatively forgiving when conditions are less than perfect. Water when the top layer of soil becomes slightly dry, while avoiding waterlogged roots. Compact, colorful, and easy to style, Red Valentine is an excellent choice for adding a vibrant tropical touch to living rooms, bedrooms, or workspaces. Caladium, Caladium bicolor. Caladium is like a splash of tropical color captured inside a leaf. Its heart-shaped foliage can glow with vivid red, crimson, pink, and green patterns, making each leaf look beautifully painted. What makes this plant special is that its leaves, rather than its flowers, are the true attraction. Place it in bright, filtered light to enhance its rich coloration, while protecting it from harsh direct sunlight. Keep the soil lightly moist but never soggy. With its dramatic foliage and graceful, upright growth, red caladium can instantly transform an ordinary corner into a vibrant indoor garden. It is a perfect choice for anyone who loves colorful plants that look almost unreal. Croton, Codium variegatum Red Easton. Imagine a plant that looks like it has been painted with autumn colors, that is Croton Red Easton. Its leaves can shift from green and yellow to warm orange, pink, and striking red, creating a constantly changing display. The real magic is in its foliage, where bold colors blend together in unpredictable patterns. Unlike plants that rely on flowers for attention, this croton stays decorative through its spectacular leaves. It loves bright light, which helps bring out its strongest colors, and prefers evenly moist but well-drained soil. Place it near a bright window, and it can become a stunning natural centerpiece that adds a fiery, tropical atmosphere to your indoor garden. Anthurium, Anthurium andrinum. Anthurium brings an intense tropical red to your indoor garden with its glossy, heart-shaped leaves and striking scarlet spathes. The rich red color creates an eye-catching contrast against its deep green foliage, making the plant look elegant and dramatic at the same time. Its smooth, waxy surface gives the red display an almost polished appearance. Bright, indirect light helps maintain healthy growth and vibrant color, while well-draining soil prevents excess moisture around the roots. Placed in a stylish pot, a red anthurium can become a beautiful focal point in any living room, adding a bold splash of nature-inspired color without overwhelming the space. Coleus, Coleus scutellarioides. Coleus is a true showstopper when it comes to colorful foliage. Its leaves can display fiery red, burgundy, pink, purple, and green shades, often blending together in fascinating patterns. Some varieties look as though their leaves have been brushed with vibrant red paint. Unlike flowering plants, Coleus gets its beauty entirely from its foliage, making it perfect for a red leaf plant collection. Bright, indirect light helps maintain strong, vivid colors, while regular watering keeps its leaves fresh and full. With its fast growth and endless color combinations, Coleus can bring a lively, artistic feel to your indoor garden and instantly brighten up any simple corner. Red nerve plant, Fittonia albivenis. Red nerve plant is a tiny houseplant with a surprisingly dramatic personality. Its delicate leaves are covered with striking red or pink veins that spread across the surface like intricate little pathways. The colorful veins stand out beautifully against the deep green foliage, creating a miniature artwork in every pot. Unlike large statement plants, Fittonia adds its charm through detail and texture, making it perfect for desks, shelves, terrariums, and small indoor corners. It prefers bright, indirect light and consistently moist, well-draining soil. Keep humidity higher for lush growth and avoid harsh sunlight. With its compact size and beautifully patterned leaves, red nerve plant can make even the smallest space feel vibrant and alive. Red star bromeliad, Cryptanthus bivitatus. Red star bromeliad looks like a colorful star growing straight from the soil. Its long, pointed leaves spread outward in a beautiful rosette, often showing rich red, burgundy, pink, and green tones with delicate stripes. Unlike traditional leafy houseplants, its low, spreading shape gives it a completely different personality. The foliage becomes even more striking when placed in a simple decorative pot that allows its star-shaped form to stand out. It enjoys bright, indirect light and moderate humidity, while well-draining soil helps keep the roots healthy. Compact yet dramatic, this bromeliad is perfect for adding an exotic burst of red to shelves, tables, or small indoor plant displays. Bloodleaf plant, Iazine herbstii. At first glance, bloodleaf plant almost looks too colorful to be real. Its foliage is the main attraction, with deep vine-red leaves crossed by vivid veins that create a beautiful web-like pattern. Some varieties develop splashes of pink, magenta, or purple, making the plant look completely different from ordinary greenhouse plants. What makes it especially interesting is its naturally bushy growth, which allows the colorful leaves to form a dense, vibrant display. It can be grown indoors as a compact foliage plant or used as a colorful accent in a plant collection. If you love unusual foliage, bloodleaf plant brings drama without needing showy flowers. Red-edged Dracena, Dracena marginata. Thin, elegant leaves with fiery red edges give this Dracena its unmistakable personality. The long, sword-like foliage grows from slender stems, creating a graceful, almost palm-like silhouette. What makes it fascinating is the contrast between the deep green center of each leaf and its reddish margins, which become especially noticeable as the plant grows taller. Its upright shape also makes it ideal when you want a colorful plant without taking up much floor space. Red-edged Dracena can bring a modern, tropical character to living rooms, offices, or entryways. With its architectural form and naturally red-tipped foliage, it adds color in a much more subtle and sophisticated way. Red peperomia, Peperomia caprata red. Small in size, but impossible to overlook, red peperomia brings a rich, velvety character to an indoor plant collection. Its heart-shaped leaves have deep ripples and folds, giving the surface a fascinating textured appearance. The reddish burgundy foliage becomes even more dramatic as light catches the raised ridges across each leaf. Unlike tall houseplants that dominate a room, this compact peperomia works beautifully on shelves, desks, and side tables. Its thick leaves also give it a wonderfully substantial look despite its petite growth habit. If you enjoy plants where texture is just as important as color, red peperomia offers a unique combination of sculptural leaves and warm, wine-red tones.